Today I have HP Probook 430 and Z4 laptop. This laptop problem is power is not turning on. When I press the power button for 1 second, it's showing the light. After that, it's gone down. Okay, you can see again. Let's check the power, and this one is charger cable. .70 voltage, 77 voltage. This is okay, absolutely right. And plug in the charger on this right side. Let's check this. Laptop is not turning on. Okay, let's fix it. I will open all this screw, and after opening this laptop I will show where is the problem. Okay, our laptop is open, and let's connect the power switch. After that, when I press the power switch, and the laptop tried to open but it could not. Okay, let's fix it. One time its LED is blinking, blink and gone down. Okay, let's see what happened. First of all, I will open this battery for 5 minutes, and after that reconnect this. Here is a 4 screw for these batteries, and you can see here is a mark for opening. Battery condition is not good. Okay, after 2 minutes or 5 minutes I will connect the charger cable. Let's see it can be open or not. Okay, after 5 minutes I am plugging the charger cable, and let's see, pressing the power button. Laptop is turned on but display is not coming. Okay, and automatically shut down. Maybe I need to be open this laptop motherboard, and here is some problem. I also need this power cable. Now our laptop motherboard is open, and let's open the RAM. Sometimes that type of problem comes from the processor, and when I keep some heat on the processor it automatically recover. And let's see, when I install the RAM, our laptop after 30 seconds to 20 seconds it's gone shut down, but right now it is okay, and cooling fan also is spinning after opening the RAM. Now I will give the heat on the processor, and let's see what happened. And processor is heating also. It's from this power line. Okay, and again install the RAM. One RAM I am installing, and check this. Turn on the laptop. You can see, and after 15 to 20 seconds it's gonna shut down. Okay, let's open the processor. Okay, I need to clean this processor, and I need to dial the circuit. Okay, now our circuit is drying complete. It's completely dry. You can see here is no element, and now we install the RAM. First of all, I check the one single RAM. Okay, let's check this. Let's plug in this. Yeah, our laptop is complete. You can see display has come. Okay viewers, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more video and more update. Okay, thanks for watching.